Hello, everyone. How's everyone today? This is Sabrina Hosein, and I am back with self-care series tip number 14. Tip number 14 is pet therapy. Yes, you heard me right. Self-care tip number 14 is pet therapy. So I want to read a little bit about this first. And again, I do not own pets, so I had to do research on this one. Okay? Pet therapy, also known as animal-assisted therapy, involves spending time with pets to improve emotional health and overall well-being. Whether it's through formal therapy sessions or simply the companion of a household pet, interacting with animals has numerous mental, emotional, and physical benefits. So today we're going to talk about a few of those tips. Okay, I think I have 8 tips today on pet therapy. The first one is to reduce stress and anxiety. Reducing stress and anxiety is important in all aspects, but pets can help us do that. Calming effects. Interacting with pets through touch, like petting or cuddling, can trigger the release of oxytocin, a hormone that promotes relaxation and reduces stress. So this is important. Oxytocin, anything that releases oxytocin is great for us. Okay. Lower cortisol levels. Studies show that spending time with pets lowers cortisol. Cortisol is a stress hormone levels. So it lowers cortisol levels, and cortisol is a stress hormone. This helps to manage anxiety and promote a sense of calm. Comfort during stressful situations. So all of these things here is what we are talking about to reduce stress and anxiety. Pets can provide emotional support during high-stress situations. For example, therapy dogs are often used in hospitals and disaster areas to comfort individuals in crisis or during crisis. So to release or to reduce stress and anxiety with pet, you have the calming effect. It lowers cortisol levels, and it's comfort during stressful situations or disastrous situations. Number 2, pets can boost mood and emotional stability, which we all know that, right? Whether it's a dog, a cat, a fish, I don't know what else. I had fishes and I've been around dogs and cats, so I can talk about those things. But anything that you have, birds, parrots, those are fun things. Those things boost your mood and emotional stability. I remember when I had birds, how beautiful it was to sit there and hear them talk. And I thought they were talking back to me with whatever language they were. We would have our nice little thing going. But what it does, it increases serotonin and dopamine. Playing with or caring for pets stimulates the production of serotonin and dopamine. This can alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. Okay? They provide unconditional love. We all know that. My dog owners, my cat owners, they really truly provide unconditional love. Who runs up to the door when you walk in from work or wherever you are, and it's just like, except if you have a 2-year-old, right? I'm just kidding about that. But literally, they do provide unconditional love. Okay? Pets offer unconditional love. They provide constant, non-judgmental companion, reducing feelings of loneliness and significantly boosting self-esteem and emotional stability. Okay. Number 3, they alleviate loneliness. Social interaction with pets. Owning pets, particularly dogs, often lead to increased social interactions. Dog owners, for example, are more likely to engage in conversations with other pet owners at parks or during walks, helping foster a sense of community. So it helps with being social, but also number 4 says it encourages physical activity. And for some of the same thing, it increases movement. Pets, especially dogs, encourage their owner to engage in physical activity like walking, playing, or running. Regular physical activity has shown to improve mental health, reduce anxiety, and boost mood. It can also improve sleep quality. Okay, so imagine if you didn't have a pet or a dog. We're talking about dogs in this particular situation, and you have absolutely no reason to get out of the house and go take a walk. You probably wouldn't, right? But the dog needs to get out. The dog needs to walk. So you do that. And then all of a sudden your mood changes. You're not just sitting there staring at 4 walls or 3 walls. I don't know why people say 4 walls. You can only see 3, basically, if you're sitting like this. So it helps you. Number 5 is provide routine and purpose. So again, it goes back to the dog needing to go out if we're talking about a dog. You have a sense of responsibility to this animal. Caring for a pet instills a sense of routine and purpose, which can be easily helpful for individuals struggling with depression or emotional distress. It also increases self-worth. Okay, number 6 says it reduces blood pressure and heart rate. Physical relaxation. Studies show that petting a dog or cat can lower your blood pressure. Petting a dog or a cat, yes, that's what I said, can lower your blood pressure. It brings down the stress, brings down the anxiety. Okay. Number 7, it improves emotional intelligence. It improves emotional intelligence. It teaches empathy. If you have a pet, they can teach you empathy. I don't know the degree of what type of pets, but I'm thinking dogs, cats, those things that are, walking on the 4s. Caring for a pet fosters empathy and compassion. This increased sensitivity can translate into improved emotional intelligence and stronger relationships with others. Therapy animals help individuals with social anxiety or communication difficulties interact more confidently with others. Okay, so a pet can help you a little bit with your social anxiety because you're forced to go out and walk. There might be someone else walking their dog and conversation will stir up. Okay, pet therapy is also great for children and elders or the elderly. Okay, the benefits for children. Pet therapy is especially beneficial for children with autism or developmental disorders. Interaction with pets can improve social skills, reduce anxiety, and provide emotional comfort. So sometimes if you have a child that has anxiety, depression, autism, anything like that, getting a pet for them may help reduce some of that. Benefits for an elderly. Pets can help elderly individuals feel less isolated, provide comfort, and improve mood. Therapy animals in nursing homes or assisted living facilities have been shown to reduce depression and enhance the quality of life among elderly adults or older adults. So pet therapy for self-care is a true real thing. For those of you who have pets, I apologize if I've said anything that did not seem to come across the right way with you. I am not a pet owner, but this was done from my research and it is part of your self-care. It is part of taking care of you and reducing stress. And I thought it was really important for us to talk about this. So again, if I said anything that was, I use dogs and cats. If you have something else, I apologize. But this was really the examples that came up with the research that I did. So again, this is Sabrina Hosein, and we are coming up to the end of our self-care series here. We have one more, and I'll be back with that. Until next time, bye-bye.